So you have learned how to insert and update data. In this lecture, we're going to finish this section by learning how to delete data. That is very easy. We use the delete from statement to delete records from a table. Let's say the invoices table. Now, optionally, we can add a search condition to identify the records we want to delete. If we don't write this where clause, with this statement, we'll delete all the records in this table. And obviously, that's very dangerous. So be very careful when executing this statement. Now here, let's say we want to delete the invoice with the ID 1. So where invoice ID equals to 1. Now here we can also use subqueries. Let's say we want to delete all the invoices for the client called MyWorks. First, let's find this client. So select everything from the clients table where name equals to MyWorks. Let's execute the second query. So here's our client. Now we can get this client ID and use it in our search condition. So where client ID equals to, this is where we add our subquery. There you go. Just like before. Beautiful. So this is how we can delete data in SQL.